everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Red Hot and Flashy. I'm Eileen, and if you're new here, welcome. I know it's late, but we are going to unbox my Boxycharm. It finally arrived on September 30th. It's my September boxes, but I can't get upset with them. They were having hurricanes down south and COVID, of course. Everybody's probably experienced the delayed in the mail and shipping and things like that. Let's begin. I am going to start out with, I have Premium and Luxe. Now, if you're gonna ask me how much this costs, I don't remember. I believe the base box is $25 a month and the Premium is $35 a month. And I don't remember the Lux Box. The Lux Box comes 4 times a year and it replaces your base box. You can always go on Boxycharm's website and find out everything, all the prices and how everything works. One of the things that Boxycharm does is they have an add-on store where you can get a lot of products for astronomically low prices. I think they said up to 80% off. Okay, on to my September Boxycharm boxes. And if you've been following me, you know that I subscribe to Boxycharm because I didn't want to waste my money on products that I didn't know anything about. Not that I know everything about the things that I get. However, like let's just say, for example, I go to Ulta or Sephora or something and buy palettes and different primers. You know, I hate foundation, so I don't really buy that. But it gives me a great opportunity to learn about new products, to receive new products at a fraction of the cost. Like I said, for $25 a month, you get your base box, and I believe it comes with 5 items, the base box. So you get 5 items for $25. Most of them come with an eyeshadow palette, and that alone is anywhere from $25 to $45. So you definitely get your money's worth. Okay, the first box we're gonna open is the Boxycharm Premium. And it came with the card. It tells you everything and how much everything is. So, give me a second. This campaign is called Glam Vibes Only. And let's open it up and start. So the first thing that I see is an ice roller for your overworked, sensitive skin. So I'm gonna read you a little bit about it. It is the ice roller, where are you? Kitsch ice roller. It says this ice roller is your new at-home facial. Well, we all are at home now, aren't we? Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. And it retails for $18. Now, I don't know if anybody else has one. They have, those mini refrigerators for your skincare, and I asked for one for Christmas this year. So hopefully I get one, because I do know when you put your skincare items in that little refrigerator, it gets nice and cold and it feels really good on your skin when it's cold like that. So this would probably fare well in the refrigerator as well. This is what it looks like. And you roll it on your face. I'm not gonna do it right now because I have my makeup on. So you roll it on your face. And it's supposed to help with inflammation. I'm sure it does, because, that feels good. Put it on the back of your neck if you're having hot flashes. Anyway, I bet you if you put this in your refrigerator, it would be that much better. So again, that retails for $18. I had said that the base box has 5 items, I believe. The premium box has 6. Okay, so now, the next item that we have here is by Stila. I don't know why I'm trying to read without my glasses. It is the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. It says, Smudge Stick is available in an array of shades that stay, not stray, which happens with those damn eye pencils, for reliable color payoff that's second to none. Moisturizing ingredients ensure color glides on smooth and the waterproof formula won't budge or fade. What's more, it can be used as a classic pencil or a smudgy eyeshadow. And this retails for $22. The shade is called Stingray. So let's open that up and give it a quick swatch to show you what it looks like. Oh, it's definitely black. I have to tell you, that glided on so easily. Because with me, I don't know about anybody else, with my eyes, because they're mature. When I try and do it, it skips on me, you know, because I have that crepey skin on the eyes. So it skips and it just becomes a big mess. But I don't know about this one. We're gonna have to try it out. The next thing is a Milk makeup product. I don't have any experience with it. I don't know about it, so I'm learning. So I should just keep these on, shouldn't I? They're just reading glasses, so I cannot see with them on. Milk makeup. It's something that I've never tried before. I'm learning about new items, and I probably would not have bought this in the store, but so I keep losing things. This is, I'll just show you, maybe I could do that. There you go, Milk makeup, and it is a highlighter. And let me just find it on here. It says it's a dewy, everyday, champagne pearl hued cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow. And this retails for $28. That's a lot of money if you ask me. All right, here's the color. I don't know, we'll give this a swatch. Oh, well, let me see if you could see that. That's pretty. And the next item is Emma Hardie. Let's go like this. Oh, this isn't any better. Oh, I'm getting such a reflection, sorry. Emma Hardie Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. It says it increases moisture levels, increases elasticity. We like that. Balances the skin and has antioxidant protection. And I'm going to read what the card says. Hydrating and lightweight, the Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardie massages deep into skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. And this, wow, this retails for $55. So as you can see, I've already surpassed what I've paid for the box. This is why I highly recommend, if you're new to makeup, or even if you're not, try a subscription. You know, I think you can buy 1 month. I know you could do 3 months at a time, because that's what I do. Because I figured, oh, I'm just gonna do it for 3 months. Then I loved what I was getting. Anyway, so yeah, let's open this up and just give it a shot. I mean, a look. This is what it looks like. It's a dropper, you know, a dropper. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I always wanted to try the facial oils, but I was a little afraid because, you know, I'm thinking like olive oil on your face, you know, oil. So I was afraid of that because I do not want to be in my 50s breaking out. You know, I had enough of that in my teenage years. The next thing is the Olay Henriksen. I'm so sorry. Phat Glow Facial. Let me see. There we go. And let me read what this is. Olay Henriksen Phat Glow Facial. Get flawless skin in a flash with PHA's, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in Olay's first one-step at-home facial. What makes PHA's so special? They're fat, literally. Like AHA's, PHA's deliver skin perfecting, age-fighting results. Again, we like that. But PHA's are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. This retails for $50. And I'm assuming this is like a, I don't know, let me finish reading here. It says, let's get fat, no downtime needed, packed with polyhydroxy acids, PHAs, to help retexturize. This one-step massage-activated facial targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. It also hydrates and reveals smoother, instantly more luminous skin, making it the ultimate get ready with me essential for a party-ready, no filter necessary Olay glow. Well, that all sounds wonderful. I'll read you the directions because I'm still not sure exactly what it is. I mean, I know it's skincare, obviously. It says, apply an even layer to clean, dry face. Massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. Use 2 times per week, day or night. It can be used before makeup application. It does say do not use on your eye or lip area. So I guess it's a mask, facial mask. I can't wait to try this actually. I've heard such good things about it. Next, and the last thing in the box, and I saved it for last, is the Eloise Beauty The Queen Eyeshadow Palette. Here's what it looks like. And I saw this on the sneak peek and I liked it. And the funny thing is, I was talking to my sister the other night. We were FaceTiming talking about my YouTube channel. I was so excited because she was telling me just how much she really enjoys it. She said she really looks forward to it, which made me feel really good. And she also said, oh my God, that's what they call me, I or Red. She's like, oh my God, it's really like so much fun. You have fun. And I was like, oh my God, I'm so happy to hear that, because that's one of the reasons that I started my YouTube channel, was because I don't know, I couldn't really relate to anybody in my age group. I'm not saying that their channels are bad. Of course they're not. They have great information on it. But I found myself getting really bored while watching a video. So I figured, hey, let me try one. So I was really happy to hear her say that, because that was what I was going for. So when I showed her this, she was like, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I can't wear stuff like that. She's older than me, just by 2 years, but not even 2 years. Actually, I think it's 16 months. But, you know, she's under that, she's, you know, it's outside of her comfort zone to wear anything but neutrals. And I think a lot of people in our age group feel the same way. So I told her to go outside the box and just play. If you don't want to go out in it, don't go out in it, but you might find that you kind of like it. I know I do. I love it. See, these are beautiful. Here you go. I don't know if I'm in the right spot there, but that's what they look like. These are really pretty. I'm going to swatch a couple of them. This Sovereign, yeah, Sovereign, that's the name. Sovereign is such a pretty color. Oh, and they're so pretty. So let's give a little swatch. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's beautiful. I love it. And then I'm gonna do Regal, which is a purple. There you go. And I will do one more. Ooh, this is like a peachy. It's called Monarch. Oh, it's pink. I could have used that the other day when I was doing my pink eye look. Beautiful colors. Don't be afraid of colors just because we're older. If you wear colorful clothes, you can wear colorful eye makeup too. Okay, the Eloise Beauty The Queen Eyeshadow Palette. The Queen Palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us. And that is true. We are all queens. Remember that. Just always remember it. So that retails for $46. So I didn't add it all up, and I guess I should have. 100, 146 for 7, for 8, for 9, 50, 51, 151, 161, 169, 70, 80. I'm already up to over $180. I think it was over $200 for $35. I've gotten a couple things that I didn't like, and I've given them away to friends or family, especially Miss Morgan, my youngest child. She just loves when I get the boxes, and she wants to be the first one to look at it so that she can steal them. She hasn't stolen a lot, but she's just as excited as I am. I swear, it's like Christmas time when they come. I'm like, oh, I'm so excited to see. All right, so the next and final box that we have today is my Lux Box. So like I said earlier, this comes out 4 times a year, and it replaces one of your boxes. In my case, it replaced my base box. This is also Glam Vibes only. This one comes with 8. Now I also know that we got to pick, you get to pick one item for each of your boxes, and I don't recall which item I picked from my premium box. I don't remember which one I selected, but I do remember which one I selected here. We will start out with that. And it is Farmacy, because I like their products. I really like their products. This is Farmacy, and it's the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. So let me just get my card and read that to you. So it's Farmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with, Acerola Cherry. I don't know what that is. A super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrant-free formula. And it retails for $45. So right there, I made my money back. Or, you know, not really made my money back, but. So I'll just give you a little peek of what the size and everything. The size is 0.5 ounces, so half an ounce. You know, eye creams, they don't come real big, and you don't really use a lot, but here it is. I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like in there. It has a very faint smell. Doesn't really look like anything. It's like a white, the color of it is white. It's just, it looks kind of pink because of the glass in there, yeah, it's glass. But we're gonna have to see how it works. Let's go on to the next one. The next thing we got is, all I have for you is the box, because as I said, little Miss Morgan, I love you, took it. Anyway, this is Persona lip gloss. It's vegan and gluten-free. Persona Cosmetics Season 1 lip gloss. Remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? No. That was like 40 years ago, or yeah, 40 years ago. Anyway, remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed? We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable, high shine formula that you'll actually want to wear. And this retails for $16. And unfortunately, I cannot show it to you because Morgan has it. I hope you're wearing it, Morgan. Anyway, it is in the color of honey, and I'll just show you that. Oh. And even though, yeah, if you look at it next to my skin, it looks like it's gonna be nice, but I did try it on before she took it, and it looked horrible on me, horrible. So it looked really good on her. But next, I wouldn't let her, she wants to steal all my stuff. The next product we're gonna look at is Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. I think there's a lot of skincare in these 2 boxes this time. So let's just read what it is. Osea Malibu Atmosphere Protection Cream. The perfect take everywhere moisturizer. This lightweight formula provides barrier protection against extreme climates and wind and air pollution. Antioxidant rich oils and organic seaweed firm skin and leave a silky finish. It's ideal primer for makeup. And you could use this as a primer too. It retails for $48. What's interesting, it says that it provides a barrier protection against extreme climates. Well, yeah, winter's coming, so I'll have to try this then. Oh, so I'm gonna read you what it says on the box. It says normal and combo, light and luxurious, hydrates and provides protection against environmental stressors that visibly damage skin. Organic seaweed, shea butter, and avocado oil moisturize and firm skin with a matte finish. So this way you know. And it says apply to cleansed skin, excellent primer for flawless makeup application. Use morning or night. It is non-toxic, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, and California made. Okay, so we are definitely gonna have to try this, especially in the wintertime, because I know what they mean about the here in New Jersey, when it gets really cold and your skin's chapping, your lips are chapping. Yeah, sometimes that, if it's a bad winter. Okay, so this retails for $48. On to the next. The next thing in our box is Ahava or Ahava. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce all the names. Probably should have Googled that. Sorry. Anyway, so Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, Sea Kissed, it's called. Treats your hands to a light but luxuriously rich hand cream that helps keep skin and cuticles healthy and protected from the elements. Again, winter's coming. This best-selling formula is made with nutrient-rich dead seawater. Seriously? Dead seawater? Sorry. And soothing witch hazel, formulated for daily use to elevate and lock in to elevate and lock in skin's moisture. And this retails for $36. I don't know about that. $36 is awfully expensive. Let me take my ring off and give this a shot. I'm always down for moisturizer. I don't know about you, but the older I get, the harder it is to keep my skin from getting so dry. Like my face is good. I don't have dry skin, but the rest of me, oh, it's horrible. So I'm just gonna, ooh. Doesn't really have a fragrance, which is good. Because I don't know, some of the lotions, oh, it does, oh, it smells good actually. It's got a very light, fresh, how I can explain it, fresh fragrance. It feels very good too. Oh, it feels so silky. Oh, I love it. Let's see what else we have in here. Let's see. Okay, this is a good one because who can't use more brushes? I know I can. Let me read what we have here. This is Pure Cosmetics. Pure, the Complexion Authority, Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. And it's great, it's 12 pieces, that's good, that's good. With a luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers, each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. Well, that's good too. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go. This retails for $49. So let's take a look at it. So you know, it's got the buttons on the side. Oh, look, they're all pink in there. I think they're kind of like those miniature brushes. They're not real tall, but here we go. I'm just gonna go like this. That's a lot of brushes. This is really good. There you go. So I see you have some shader brushes from eyeshadow. You have your highlighter, contouring, a comb for your eyebrows and your eyelashes, and an angled brush. So it's pretty good. That's pretty good. 12 of them in there. And it comes with the case, which is really good too. So then you could just sit it out. I think all of us girls who are out there doing makeup can always use extra brushes because we don't always clean our brushes right away. I know I clean my brushes once a week. So it is always good to have extra brushes around. Okay, this is 111 Skin. And 111 Skin is a skincare company then, and their stuff is expensive. I don't know, for your everyday person who doesn't want to spend a lot of money on this kind of stuff. So I was really excited to get this. Let me read about it. Okay, so it's the 111 Skin. 111 Skin is the name of the company. Harley St. London. So 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and it's a 5-pack, so you get 5 of them in there. The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Oh my God. It retails for $135. Wow. I'm so glad that it's in my box. But you know what really stinks? Is if you absolutely fall in love with the products, you have to buy them. Well, you don't have to, but hopefully they're on the add-on store. If you really fall in love, you get more of them. So yeah, we're gonna have to be doing that. I like that. I love masks. I really just absolutely love masks, especially the sheet masks, because they're just easier. You don't have to worry about washing them off. But yeah, so I'm excited about this. I'm very excited about that one. Fenty Beauty. I'm not sure if everybody knows. I think they do. Fenty Beauty is Rihanna's company. Well, let me see what exactly it is. Oh, okay. So it's the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Light up where you want, when you want, with weightless, long wear cream powder hybrid highlighters that range from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solos and expertly paired duos that instantly melt into skin and blend with almost zero effort. This retails for $36. Fenty Beauty. Oh, let me see what shade I have. I have the Duo highlighter. So it is Ginger Beige and Moscow Mule. So this one is Ginger Beige, and it looks more like of a matte formula. And this is Moscow Mule, and it is brighter than the other. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, it feels really silky. Okay, this is the Ginger Beige. No, is that it? Ginger Binge. Can you see that? See, that eyeliner's still on there. And this is, the next one is Moscow Mule. And I did it above. Oh, the Moscow Mule is really, I don't know how I feel about that. What the heck? Let's see how we look. I don't have a mirror down here, so I don't know. Can you really see it? I have one from one of the, I think it was my second or third Boxycharm box. They had a whole entire box dedicated to Fenty Beauty. So I got a single highlighter, and it was in like a goldy shade. So I do know that they go on really well. I just, it's hard to do when you're looking at the camera here. So the last thing in our box this month is an eyeshadow palette from Hipdot. Again, another company that I never heard of, don't know anything about. So like I said, it's really fun to get all this stuff. Okay, here's what it looks like on the outside, and let me read it to you first, and then I'll show you. Hipdot Zion Eyeshadow Palette. Conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, hold on, I don't know this word. free, and mineral oil free. And this retails for $30. Let's take a look at the colors inside. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. Here we go. Aren't they pretty? Very pretty fall colors. Oh, which one? There is one called Majesty, and it's Majesty. Listen to me. Majesty, and it's kind of a burgundy. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Let's see. We're gonna. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was good payoff. Where am I here? Then there's something called Narrows. It's just I think it's similar color. Oh, look at the payoff on them. Oh my goodness. Let's swatch an orange. It's called Grounded. There you go. It's like a burnt orange, which apparently looks good on redheads. So we're gonna have to try that out right there. Look at the payoff is really good. The pigment, it's really pigmented, great. And then two more. Which ones should we do? We will do two Angel's Landing. This is a shimmer. Oh, this is so pretty. Here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God, that's gorgeous. I really love this. And then we will do, I don't know which one. There's so many good ones to choose from. And the last one we'll do is Virgin. It's kind of it's in the orange family. Can you see that? Where is it? It's up here by my wrist. There it is. It's a beautiful shimmer. One more. This is called Surreal, and it's on the purple side. Oh, where am I gonna put this one? Well, we'll do it over here since it's so pigmented. Oh yeah, right there. Beautiful colors, beautiful. And you know, like I said before, these are not things I would have went to the store and bought. So I'm really glad. I'm really happy with everything they're sending me. So far, I don't think I've really not liked anything they sent. I know there were a couple things that weren't my color, but they worked out for friends and family. They were excited to get it. I'm not even gonna try and add it. It's definitely well over $200, maybe even $300. So I hope that you enjoyed yourself. I hope that you liked everything that you saw, or at least I did. And you know, hopefully next time it doesn't arrive so late. Thanks again for sticking around and watching. I really enjoyed doing this with you guys, and I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me. Don't forget to subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And you can follow me at redhotandflashy on Instagram. Till next time, bye everyone.